navigated our way from the car park where we started, but we've followed this road around the outside until its end point, its terminus, and now we're just sort of really gonna sort of follow this road up into the woods. Once we've taken in some stone circles and bits and pieces and stone rows, then we're going to take a sort of side track off and loop around and then come down to White Ridge, Assacombe Hill, back into the wood and then back to the car in a nice little loop. Turn off to see the stone circles, yeah?
So, what, we just carry on round that way?
Yeah, so we've come up here and this is the fork here, and we want to follow this road, and you see that little fork there? There's this little stone circles, so that's where we're gonna follow this up. Next right hand junction, go in, turn right again, and we should see the stone circles in the wood. Yeah.
I was just saying to Nath, I can't look up. This freaking bag's doing me head in. It's giving me a stiff neck. I can't look up and take the trees in. I feel like a dog, because dogs can't look up, can they? Shaun of the Dead.
You know, I've watched Moby in the park when you throw a ball for him, like looking up, seeing the ball and then chasing after it, and I'm like, Christ, is Moby like the only dog that can look up? Hell of a f***ing dog. Did I tell you about the time I thought his balls had grown back?
No.
Not long after I'd had him, got him from Dog's Trust. He's about 2.5 at this point. And obviously you can get any dog from the Dog's Trust, and they make sure they've been neutered, so no testicles. Anyway, I come downstairs in the morning and he's curled up in his little leather armchair, and he's sort of stretching and showing his belly, and there's this like 2 lumps either side of his cock, like 2 round lumps, and I was like, Jesus Christ, my dog's so much of a man, he's growing his ballsack back. Turns out it's just glands. I looked a right prick when I went around telling people. So, oh look, stone circles.
What have you found? What have you found? Testicles? Always interested in these areas with the stone circles. Prehistoric. I'll try and find out and put here, all around Dartmoor, there's hundreds of these little stone circles and what have you. Look one there, they've got the 2 little stones there missing, and then going into the stone row. Sort of from above it must look like a key. Like, I don't know, like a runway almost, isn't it? It's bizarre. I wonder what it is and what it was used for. Does anyone know? I think Nath might have found some more over there. That way somewhere.
So we've just come off the bridle path just to have a look at some stone circles. It's this sort of path jutting off to the right, sort of just come up here. There's a wooden post with the letter 7D on it. I don't know what that means. And I don't know if you can see it from there, but behind me there's this grass mound. I'm guessing it's a mound of significance. That's probably its name, the Mound of Significance. Imagine it's quite an eerie place if you come in here and look at this stuff at night.
There seems to be something else over here, another pathway.
Moby's trying to eat a tree stump. What is it? He's actually a bit of a wimp when it comes to being a dog, but he does like to bark and growl and shunt inanimate objects around that can't defend themselves. Anyway, that was the grass mound of significance. 7D, it's clearly marked. Let's go and see what Trev's found.
It's a bit wet underfoot to get over here. See that? I'm not going through there. Look. Yeah, I've decided against that. But you can see the stone row there. I don't know. Maybe it's something as simple as marking a path. And rituals, they always say, like, but it could be just pathways. I thought that when we was up on one tour, I can't remember which, but there was lots of stones going that way, that like all around this tour, standing stones. They all seem to be on a different track, and it makes you wonder if that's like, follow this stone for this location. Early road markings. Who knows?
So normally in preparation for these hikes, I go into Tesco's and buy a big bag of fruit and nut mix, but inevitably half of it at least doesn't get eaten and it all goes to waste. Anyway, this time I found sun bites by Walker's, nuts and sun-kissed cranberries. So this is my little pocket snack for energy whilst we're hiking today. It's a much smaller pouch, so hopefully it will limit my calorie intake a bit better. Much more suited to a day hike, I guess. It does look like there's also some sort of pumpkin seeds and bits and pieces in there as well, so it seems quite healthy. We'll see how it goes down.